Bike? Yeah, very good. Bike. Very good. Is that a bike? Where's the bell? Show me the bell. Bring, bring. The bell? Can you say bell? Yeah, that's a bell. Bell? Did Santa bring you that? What does Santa say? Very good. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Merry. Merry. What did you say? Is that your bike? Yeah. Yeah. Not a baby, bike. Where's the bell? No, that's your bike. It's a seat. Yeah. Seat. What? What are you doing? Where are you going? Going for a bike ride? Did we say the R word, Cuddles? No, that's not Lula, that's Cuddles. Where's Cuddles? Yeah.
Hey, here's a great prize, Judy. The Quiet Week Club in Florida, 8 days, 7 nights. It includes breakfast and lunch daily. Round trip airfare. You have 20 seconds and only 1 minute, Judy. Good luck.
Do the bell, ring the bell. Ring the bell. You ring the bell? Bring, bring. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Say have a good day. See you later. What? Have a good day. Can you blow kisses?